Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Namuma. If you're new here, you welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys. So I went grocery shopping, as you can see, just some veggies, and this year I've decided to go all natural, like we're just eating healthy, okay? So I wanted this to be last since it's a process. It's called dodo or terere. It just depends how you call it. So I'm gonna wash them and find ntatoatoa. Then I will boil them. After boiling them is when I will now put them into tins, into portions. Then wait it to cool. Then put it in the fridge later on. Yeah, so that whenever I want to eat them, I just remove one tin, then I cook with whatever accompaniment that I want.